Hello. If you've ever tried to lose weight, I have some information that's probably going to upset you. It might even make you angry. For years, you've been told that you can only lose no more than 1 to 2 pounds a week. Unfortunately, that's a lie, and it has stopped you from burning fat at an incredible speed in the easiest way possible. This video contains the same scientifically proven methods used by champion bodybuilders, celebrities, and fitness gurus. It combines little-known techniques that motivate your body to melt away 8 to 16 pounds of stubborn body fat in just 2 weeks. The science behind my system is recent enough to be unfamiliar to the general public, but powerful enough to be gaining rapid traction among doctors and nutritionists alike. If you pay attention to the nutritional studies coming from high-caliber institutions like Harvard, you'll know that the science behind my system is rock solid, extremely effective, and 100% safe. Hi there, my name's Brian Flatt, and these little-known secrets I'm talking about have taken me nearly a decade to discover. Mainstream fitness experts tell us time and again that losing 1 to 2 pounds per week is the safest way to lose weight. I'm sorry to say this, but they don't have the whole picture. I've been lied to, you've been lied to, and people across the entire planet have been lied to. First, it's important to know that this system doesn't deal with the same old eat less and exercise more type of weight loss that moves along at a snail's pace. It doesn't involve dangerous pills or questionable supplements, and no, you definitely don't have to do endless jumping jacks or push-ups either. Maybe you found yourself jumping up and down in your living room and thinking to yourself, this is silly, there must be a better way. Your instincts are right. There is a better way. I'm talking about staggering transformations in just 2 weeks or less. You can lose up to 16 pounds of pure body fat, trim 2 to 4 inches off your waistline, go down 2 to 3 dress sizes, develop a flatter stomach, boost your metabolism, skyrocket your energy levels, remove inches of fat from your hips, thighs, belly, and butt, and finally take complete control of your body weight for the rest of your life. Now, I understand if this sounds too good to be true. Trust me, thousands of people across the globe doubted me until they saw lasting results firsthand. My techniques gave them proof they couldn't ignore. They only had to look down at their flatter, sexier stomachs. If you give me another minute to explain, I'll prove these claims with hard, proven facts. I'm a certified personal trainer, best-selling author, weight loss consultant, certified sports nutritionist, speaker, and creator of the 2-Week Diet, a science-based system that has helped thousands of people worldwide lose weight faster than they ever imagined possible. Now, I'm going to share a ton of invaluable weight loss information with you. With this knowledge, you can transform your body and your life. Let's start your transformation right now. If you watch this video to completion, I'll demonstrate that my system is authentic, reliable, and worthwhile. The people who listen carefully will be the ones who experience these extraordinary results. As unbelievable as it may seem, the information here is 100% accurate, foolproof, and scientifically proven. Okay, so are you ready? Good. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is the extra weight you're carrying around is not your fault. The truth is, there are many reasons you might have struggled to lose weight in the past, and you probably fall into one or more of these categories. 1. You're getting bad information about weight loss and weight gain. 2. You're suffering from cellular inflammation. 3. You're counting calories or focusing on the eat less, exercise more mantra that the medical community has been brainwashing us with for decades. 4. You're not seeing real results for your effort. You jump from one diet to the next, hoping something will eventually work. 5. You lack the right plan. A good plan is easy to follow, personalized, and from an up-to-date expert who understands the mechanisms behind rapid weight loss. Now, let's break these reasons down. Number 1, you're getting bad information. Let's face it, no industry is filled with more hype and empty promises than the diet industry. Every day you see a new, faster, and better diet product. And even though many